Today I'm going to talk about safety and how it relates to everyone. I know that everyone here thinks that they are safe wherever they are, including at the workplace. I thought the same thing until recently. I'm part of the safety committee where I work, and I never thought that a tragedy could happen in the work environment. How many of you believe that there is enough safe measures in place where you work? I believe that we should stop and think about what we can do to improve the safety of everyone around us at work. Should there be safety training for every company nationwide? I believe there should be. The safety training for every company can help the employees be safe in the environment that they are in on a day-to-day basis. Companies should be able to have every employee have a basic understanding of the safety at work, no matter what they're doing, no matter where they are, and what their job performance is supposed to be. There should be a way to show each person that comes in and out of the building that they work or the site that they work on, that they've been trained in the safety protocol that was given to them. One example would be being able to show them what they've been taught by doing hands-on training with them as they go on in their training for their job performance. Another way would be wearing a particular badge or a vest or a shirt, having some form of identification that was given to them that shows others from the outside coming in that they have the safety measures understood and are able to perform them if needed. As far as making sure that everybody gets that training and everybody higher up in the company knows that they were given that training, there should be documentation provided. Now, whether that's electronic or on physical paper would be up to the company. I believe that there should be a way to do it, that each company has a standard that they're going by. In today's society, we go electronic for convenience, but I think we should also have a backup of paper showing that they have gone through the training, gone through everything that they need to know in order to perform properly. As far as the training, everybody should be trained in first aid, CPR, and emergency preparedness. With first aid, it not only deals with the minor scrapes and burns, but what to use in those situations. Know where to locate your first aid boxes. Know when they need to stop using the first aid and start to call 911 to have them come to better help the situation. CPR is the same thing. You should be able to perform CPR if the time arises. You never know when you're at work and someone is going to need the CPR. It's better that someone knows what they're doing and is there to help that person when they're in need. Not only should the CPR training be given, but the person that's been CPR trained also needs to be able to use the electric defibrillator. That way, in case doing CPR is just not enough, they can give that extra oomph to help that person until the emergency services arrive. The other situation that can come up, no matter where you're at, is your severe weather emergencies, whether it be a tornado, a hurricane, maybe even an earthquake. Everybody should know where they need to go and what they need to do when that happens. Now, most people think, oh, that's not going to happen. We're safe in wherever we're at. There is a very high possibility that you could have a tornado or an earthquake. And in most cases, people start to let their fear get the best of them. You want to be trained and able to help keep everybody calm, or try to help maintain the order in which people need to be to get out of the building or get into the area of the building that's the safest. Overall, we all need to have this training: CPR, first aid, emergency preparedness. That way, we all know that we're taking one more step in making sure our workplaces are safer. We should value the safety that we have, and we should help the employer uphold that safety. All of us need to think about what we can do to make our workplaces safer, and if you have any ideas, please bring it up to your employer.